So, in Piaget's theory of cognitive evolution, he divided the child's evolution in 4 stages. And they are the first one is called the sensory motoric stage, which happens when the child is between 0 to 2 years old. And the child learns to adapt to its environment, like in how to feel stuff and how to use their arms. It's why it's called this name. And also they learn the phenomena called object permanence, which is basically that if you were to trap an object under a carpet so the child can't see it anymore, the child still knows it's still under the carpet and they will start looking for it. The next stage is called the pre-operational stage, which happens when the child is between 2 to 7 years old. And now they start thinking symbolic, and because of this they start to use words, because words have a symbolic meaning. Although children can start saying words all the time since they are 12 months old, then they can say mama and dada. Furthermore, they start with egocentric thinking, which means that they lack the capability to see other people's perspective. They only think of what they see themselves. And the other thing is they start thinking animalistic, which means like things that doesn't live or have life. They start to have life according to them, like the wind is blowing, or the sun is happy and therefore it's warm. And the next one is called the concrete operational stage, which happens when the child is between 7 to 11 years. And now they master the phenomena called conservation. And this is basically that if you have two glasses and you have them of different height, and then you pour water in both of them, but they are the same amount. The child will know that even though one of the glasses are taller, it's still the same amount as the smaller glass. And this is because they are able to think things in reverse. Also, they can master, or at least start to master, classification, which is basically that they can group things into categories, like they know colors, and they know like shapes can be like squares and circles and so on. And the last stage is called the formal operational stage, which happens when the child is 11 years old or older. And now they start to think abstractly, which means basically that they have a higher cognitive level and they can start making hypotheses like what will happen if I do this and what will be the consequences of that. And also they can do like basically more complex stuff.